Men deeply love women. WHO apply these 7 rules. Hey and welcome back to a new video from the Life School YouTube channel. It's important to understand that each person is unique and has personal preferences in a relationship. There's no universal formula or set of rules that will work for everyone. Relationships require time, effort, communication, and understanding between partners. And not all men place the same values on certain traits. Here are 7 commonly cited things that men love deeply in a woman. 1. Confidence. Men are often attracted to women who possess a strong sense of self-confidence. This includes being comfortable in one's own skin, having a positive body image, and expressing oneself confidently in social situations. 2. Intelligence. Intelligence can be a major turn-on for men. They appreciate women who are knowledgeable, curious and able to engage in intellectual conversations. 3. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor is a characteristic that can make a woman extremely attractive to a man. Laughing and making jokes together often helps to build a strong emotional connection. 4. Kindness. Men are drawn to women who are kind and empathetic. They appreciate women who are not only kind to them but also to those around them. 5. Openness. Men value women who are open and genuine with their thoughts and feelings. This includes being open to trying new things, sharing vulnerably, and being willing to compromise in a relationship. 6. Independence. Men appreciate women who are independent and self-reliant. This indicates maturity and the ability to take care of oneself, which is an attractive quality for many men. 7. Supportive. Men love to feel supported and encouraged by their partners, both emotionally and in their personal or professional pursuits. Women who are able to offer this support and encouragement to their partners often build stronger relationships with them. Overall, while these traits might be attractive to men, it is important to remember that every man is unique and may be drawn to different characteristics in a partner. Developing a strong sense of self and pursuing one's own passions and interests can also make a woman more attractive to men by conveying independence, confidence, and a zest for life. Having a stable and loving relationship requires trust, respect, communication, shared interests, honesty, and a balance between dependence and independence. When it comes to relationships, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, and it's important to recognize that each person has unique preferences and needs in their relationship. These are some general tips that could be helpful, but it's essential to understand that each relationship is unique, and what works for one couple may not work for another. It's important to focus on developing personalized and healthy relationships based on mutual respect, trust, and care. If you like this video, share with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.